Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new lip from Horizon Motorsports on my F82 M4. While the lip does not come with installation hardware, it's already pre-drilled to make installation a breeze. I did decide to go with 1¼ inch stainless steel screws and washers, along with some double stick tape to make installation secure. Alright guys, here is the lip with the double stick tape on it. I did clean it with some alcohol first just to make sure that the bond is as good as it can get. I'm using a really thin profile double stick tape here. You don't really need tape on here, just with the number of screws that you're putting into the bumper. There should be plenty of hold on it, but I feel like just getting it a little bit of extra snug and tack to it there will help make the fit even better. The install should be very smooth, very straightforward. This also probably could be a much easier job if you had a buddy with you. I'm just going to use my trusty Pittsburgh floor jack just to kind of hold it in place on one side while I work on the other one. The other thing that I had to kind of keep an eye on my car is that I do have an underglow set up on the car, so I have to kind of move it out of the way a little bit as I'm getting this one installed. So we will put that back in place again when we're all done, but I will leave the cameras on a tripod and then you guys can follow along with the install. It should be very, very smooth. We are done with the install and in the F82 to go shoot some footage of the final result. The carbon piece is absolutely gorgeous and the fitment is perfect on it. And I finally think we found the perfect match for an F82 or an F80 for that matter as well for that front bumper. So hopefully you guys like the end result. Once again, huge shout outs to Alex at Horizon Motorsports for supporting the build. You have no clue how much it means to me. So anyway, until next time, enjoy the final result, and I will see ya.